Hello guys, so this video is about how to replace engine air filter on this Lexus CT200 Hybrid F Sport. Remove this so you can see those two clips. So to remove your engine air filter, you're gonna move these two clips and lift it up this side and then pull it slowly. So, and while you're holding the lid with your one hand, you're gonna remove the filter just like that. It doesn't look super dirty, but still I'm gonna replace it since I got the new one already and show you guys. Same process when you're putting it back in. So hold the lid with one hand and put the filter in there. When you're putting it back in, so there are two holes in the bottom, so you're gonna put the bottom first and then top. Make sure it's sitting tight and then just close these clips. That's it.